Preventive maintenance guide and checklist for maritime CCTV equipment located on the bridge. This video will guide you on how to perform a preventive maintenance for CCTV cameras located on vessel bridge. Items required for the maintenance work. Step-by-step guide on the cleaning process. Step-by-step guide on the application of corrosion inhibitor. And last but not least, the error-proofing checklist. Items required for the maintenance work. 1 piece, plastic cleaning basket. 2 pieces, cleaning rag. 1 piece, small brush or toothbrush. 1 pair, scissor. 1 set, hex key. 1 piece, 3M microfine sanding sponge. 1 bottle, Citra-force degreaser. 1 bottle, heavy-duty liquid lanolin. 1 tube, type A grease. Preparation. Getting the equipment ready for inspection. Dismount the CCTV as well as the cable connection. Remove the stainless steel shade and inspect the parts for corrosion. The cleaning or derust effort will largely depend on the severity of the corrosion. Replace corroded screws or nuts if required to prevent damaging the threaded holes. Apply Citra-force evenly on the surfaces of the affected parts. Keep 6 inches away from object and trigger firmly. Allow to sit for 10 minutes before cleaning. Cleaning the stainless steel shade. Cut the 3M microfine sanding sponge to smaller piece, 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches, to minimize wastage. Smear or apply some Citra-force to the sponge before cleaning. Derust the parts in one direction. Stubborn rust might require a little more effort in cleaning. Cleaning the shade mounting bracket. If the corrosion is way too severe for cleaning, get rid as much rust as possible and smear type A grease at affected area to stop corrosion from deteriorating. Note down an equipment checklist and follow up on the condition during the next preventive maintenance. Cleaning the CCTV casing. Citra-force is safe for cleaning of electrical connectors and terminals. Not to worry about electrical cable being exposed to the cleaning solvent. Salt deposition at the edges and corner surfaces. Example, swivel nut joints, ferrule joints and casing corners. Therefore, it is important that the above mentioned are properly inspected and cleaned. Cleaning of the insulation hose. Apply Citra-force to the cleaning rag and wipe down the hose to give a black shining finishing. Application of corrosion inhibitors. Number 1. Apply heavy-duty liquid lanolin to the underside of the stainless shade. Shake the bottle well before applying. Squeeze the trigger firmly 2 to 3 times and ensure that there is a good coverage of liquid coating. Allow 45 minutes to an hour for the carrier to evaporate and forms the lanolin coating. Number 2. Apply type A grease to the cap screws and threaded holes. Smear a thin coat of grease to the screw thread and underside of the cap. Apply enough grease to the threaded holes to prevent corrosion. Assemble the CCTV parts. Assemble the shade and the mounting bracket back to the CCTV casing. Check the mounting angle of the shade before fastening the screws. Proceed on with the CCTV installation back to the surveillance position. Perform all necessary adjustment to the positioning and fasten all fixtures and screws. Final step: the application of heavy-duty liquid lanolin to the exterior casing. Note: shake the bottle well before each application. Well done. The maintenance work has been completed. Let's go through the checklist before we wrap up the day. The checklist. Number 1. Coating coverage. Check back the coating to make sure that all surfaces are coated. Clean the lens with a clean cloth before you round up on the installation. Number 2. CCTVs on the vessel bridge. Check and ensure that all CCTVs on the bridge are in position, cleaned and applied with heavy-duty liquid lanolin. Number 3. Accountability. Check work area and ensure that no parts are left unattended. All tools or parts are accounted for. Number 4. Maintenance log. Anything to highlight during the maintenance regime? Note them down for further actions and follow-up. This will bring us to the end of the video. Thank you very much.